Hello, this is Sandra Hart of Life Over 60. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today is going to be a little bit of a different kind of video. I am going to be on the road for a week, leaving again, and I'm leaving for a colder climate, so I have to bundle up, get out my winter coat, my boots, and my furry scarves, because I will be going into chilly, chilly weather. Such a shock after being here in South Beach for a while. But while I'm traveling, I have already done some videos, and I'm going to put up videos during the week that I have already done. So I hope to be kind of consistent on the YouTube. But please know that I will be traveling. I will read all of your comments and I will answer them, because that is so easy to do. I could do it with my iPhone. But just know that I do love all of you, and I thank you so much for your support for these 2 years. I will have, I think on the 17th, which has passed, we'll have been celebrating my 2 years here on YouTube. And when I get back from my travels, I'm going to have a giveaway in that celebration. Today, I am going to show you what I have been doing on Instagram, and I would love to have you follow me there. I am doing a retrospective for 60 days, and it started last week, 60 days of retro actresses and looks, and I am matching quotes and lipstick shades that I think that they will wear. And this all has been inspired by the AVON box that my daughter gave me that has 60 different lipsticks. It's called Mistletoe Kisses. So I'm going to be going through all of those lipsticks and trying to recreate some retro actresses and retro characters, women characters in history. So for the next 60 days, I'm really going to be really busy. What did I get myself into? But anyway, I have the link right here to my Instagram. Please follow me. It's really a lot of fun. I've already done maybe about 14 of these looks, and I have put them all together in a little video for you to watch. So stay with me, and we're going to start the beginning of my Lipstick is the Bomb lipstick 60 days of 60 different looks, 60 different ways with 60 different shades of lipsticks. Love you all. I will see you soon in a couple of days with an upload while I am traveling. doesn't it? Take care. Please be so good to yourself. Be kind to someone today. And of course, don't forget to share the love. I need it. You need it. We all need it. See you soon.